guys, welcome to today's new video. I know I haven't posted out on this channel in a while. I know I said that on the first video that I was going to start pushing this channel, and that never happened. But we're here now, so here we are. So today's video is that I got my chickens this little bird box right here, and I'm going to feed them that, and I'm going to put food in that. Okay, so I feed my chickens and ducks this, or just my chickens, a starter thing, and then I also feed them this. It's for layers. From when they're getting started to lay their eggs, you give them this. Okay, so I already filled it up, so we're just gonna. So as you guys can see, I filled it up all the way to the top, and as you guys can see, the chickens can eat out of these little holes, and also it's even on the other side as well. So you can close them by just holding them down. It won't work right now because the carpet, but you know, yeah. So we have it from the string, and see how it closes? Closes like that. And also this is the string, so you can hang it up like a tree or whatever. This is also a bird box, so you can not only use it for the chickens, but you can also use it for birds as well. So yeah, we're at my backyard. Also, I got a new dog. Hey, doggy. Anyway, so this is my chicken coop. So this is what my chicken coop looks like. There's my chickens and ducks. Also, this is an electric wire. And also, I am growing plants, so these are all like my plants. And then I also buried some in the ground over there. And I have this electrocuted. Well, this isn't, but that is as well. So we're gonna grow a lot. We're gonna fix this all up, make it like a greenhouse, enclose it, and it's gonna be really cool. So there's my chickens and duckies. Ducky. Okay, so as you guys can see, I hanged it from a wire, and this is what it currently looks like. And we put it down so they can reach it, like these chickies. So as you guys can see, that is my little feeder box. That's like my little box thing so they can eat out of. The ducks can't, but the chickens can't. So that's what it looks like. And we hanged it from up there. And they can just go around and they can eat it like that. And whenever it runs out, you can just like grab it, open this up, and just refill it again. Okay, so I got some new chickens and ducks, and they're in there. See, that's Brownie. That's Brownie. And then I got the white ones. I got a whole bunch of ducks. And I don't think I showed, but I also enclosed this. So if my chickens and ducks get big, I heard that some of them, they can fly. Obviously not them two, but the new ones that I got, some of them can fly. So that's why we enclosed this with this like wire or something like that. Also in here are my new chickens and ducks. I have another one in there named Grainy, and I have a lot more chickens. Of course, we have the privacy fence around here. And okay, so this is cool. So here are my lights. So it's not dark, so it isn't dark in here. So we put these lights here. We even put one inside the chicken coop. So like we have one here and then one in the chicken coop. And it all runs on solar. There's Quickie Ducky! And there's my chicken that was hiding there. I didn't even know my chicken was hiding there. Okay, so I also got this giant pool here, because this was our old pool that they had, and then we replaced it with this giant one. I don't really know what we're gonna do with that one, but I did just sitting there. There's Quacky! 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 Hi, baby! Hi! There she is! We gotta clean the water. Quacky! There she is! We can't forget Ducky. Ducky. We got the Ducky! There he is. There's Quacky. Go over there. Oh, don't get stuck. Go ahead. she goes. We put this here so they can just walk up, but they haven't been seeming to use it. We're trying to grab Ducky again. He flew from the pool.
Ready, move.
Whoa! Oh my gosh. He's so cute. They're both in the water. We had them. There they are in the pool. They're so cute. Anyways, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.